Hello class 5. How are you all? So children, now we will I will conduct your English language class. So in the previous class we were doing chapter 3 nouns and kinds of noun, isn't it? So we were doing chapter 3 nouns and kinds of nouns. We have completed it. Then we have done one exercise also, isn't it? Exercise 1 we have done. See, this one we have done in the previous class. Now we will do exercise number B. Okay, so everyone take out your book and open your book at page number 9. Page number 9. Everyone. So now, what is the question? I'll read it for you. You also read minutely and try to understand what has been asked here. What you have to do. Okay children, see number B, rewrite these sentences using capital letters wherever required. So here few sentences are given. I think there are 10 sentences. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to rewrite the same sentences using capital letters wherever required. As we know that we always begin a proper noun with capital letter. Okay, so we have to find out the nouns and then we have to rewrite them with capital letter. Okay, the first letter should be capital. See number 1, Sourav Ganguly was the captain of Indian cricket team. So the first one you see, Sourav Ganguly was the captain of Indian cricket team. So here in this sentence you will find many nouns, isn't it? So number 1, Sourav Ganguly. So Sourav is written with small s. But as it is proper noun, so Sourav will be, S will be capital. So what you'll write? S capital, then Ganguly, G capital, was the captain of the Indian. Indian is name of a country. So I will be capital, then Indian cricket team. Indian cricket team is also a proper noun, name of a particular team. So here Indian, I capital, cricket, C capital, first letter of cricket, that is C capital, then team, T capital. Understood? Like Sourav Ganguly, number 1, exercise B number 1, Sourav, S capital, then Ganguly's G capital, then was the captain of the Indian. I is written in small letter here, see, Indian, I, but this I will be capital, Indian, I capital, then cricket, C capital, then team, T capital, because this is name of a particular team, isn't it? Indian cricket team. So this will be capital. Understood what I have said? So you will rewrite the same sentence here, but what you will do? You will write S capital, then Ganguly's G capital, then was the captain of the, same you will write, then again Indian I capital, cricket C capital, then team T capital. Okay, as this is proper noun. Understood? Do it. Then number 2, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal at Agra to show his love for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. See here all the nouns are written with small letter. Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was name of a king. So Shah Jahan number 2. Shah Jahan. S-H-A-H. Shah. Again Jahan. J-A-H-A-N. Shah Jahan. Okay. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. See T is written with small letter. So Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. This Taj, T capital, then Mahal, M capital, then at Agra, Agra is name of a city, A capital. Okay, then to show his love for his wife Mumtaz Mahal, again Mumtaz, M capital, then Mahal, M capital. Understood? This way you have to do. Clear? Next one, number 3. The Ganges is a holy river of the Hindus. Now the first letter, the T is in small letter as we are beginning the sentence. So we always begin a sentence with capital letter. So here you will have to write T capital, then Ganges, G capital, is a holy river of the Hindus. Hindus again name of a particular religion. So H capital. So H capital. Clear? The T capital, then Ganges G capital, is a holy river of the Hindus, H capital. Done? Then come to number 4. Number 4, Berlin is the capital of Germany. Berlin is a city, capital city. So Berlin, B capital, and again Germany is name of a country, so G capital. Clear? Or a proper noun. Then number 6, Birbal was a jester in the court of Emperor Akbar. So who was Birbal? Birbal was a jester. So Birbal, B capital, then was a jester in the court of Emperor Akbar. Here Emperor E capital, then Akbar, A capital. Okay, Emperor Akbar, name of a particular emperor. Okay, so then number 7, Kanpur and Allahabad are famous cities of North India. Kanpur, name of a particular city, K capital. Allahabad, A capital, are famous cities of North India, N capital. Then India, I capital. Okay. Then number 8, Sri Lanka, name of a country, Sri Lanka, S capital, and again Lanka, L capital. Okay, is an island of island in the Indian Ocean. So Indian, I capital, Ocean, O capital. Clear? Now turn the page, come to page number 10. Here 2 more sentences are given. Number 9, Rachna and Rahul went to Mumbai by Rajdhani Express. See, Rachna and Rahul. Rachna is name of a girl, Rahul is name of a boy. Proper noun. So R capital, here also R capital, went to Mumbai. Mumbai is name of a particular city, M capital, by the Rajdhani Express. Rajdhani Express is name of a particular train. So Rajdhani, R capital, Express, E capital. Clear? Next one, number 10, I presented a Bible to Mrs. Scott on her birthday. I is always capital letter. So I capital, present a Bible. Bible is name of a religious book. So Bible, B capital. Bible to Mrs. Scott. Mrs. means Mrs. M will be capital, capital M and S. Then Scott, S capital, on her birthday. Okay, this way we have to do this exercise number B. Rewrite the sentences using the capital letters wherever required, and wherever required in where we have written proper noun. So we have written all the proper nouns with the capital letters. Okay, this way we have finished this exercise number B. Clear? Then we will move to exercise number C, and you all do this in the in the book itself. No need of writing in the CW copy. You will write this in, you will do this in the book itself. Okay, and in the next class we will do the next exercise. Go through the exercise number C, then I will be there to explain you. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.